back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be doing impact graphics by jetboatpilot.com down the side of the boat. What this is going to do is this is going to add, performance graphics to the outside of your boat while also protecting the hull from damages between bumping against boats, jet skis, when you're docked up with somebody, or whenever you're at a dock. This will help you from getting that scratching on your gel coat. And again, it also adds an awesome look. So stay tuned and let's get into this. So on my series boat, you can see here that I have vinyl graphics running down the side of my boat here. I have a teal and a black. Now I have gotten with Will Owen from jetboatpilot.com, and I have discussed with him whether I should lay these impact graphics over top of it or if I should just remove them and let the clean white base come through. He recommended to me taking them off, even though it does tie in the bottom of my boat with the top of my boat. The ultimate sacrifice there is if the vinyl peels, your impact graphics are going to peel. I agreed with him. I think that is the best bet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to get rid of this vinyl decal from the factory down here on the lower end. And then once I've done that, I can start with the prep and cleaning process so that I can start laying out these graphics and making sure that they're lined up and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get into that. As you can see now, I have removed all the decals. I've also gone through and washed the boat with soap and water after removing the decals, just to get the sides nice and prepped and clean and ready to go. So both sides are completely done. The way I accomplished this was using a pick tool to lift up the edge of the vinyl. And then once the vinyl was peeled up at the front, it was very easy to pull off. It did leave a little bit of outside residue from the vinyl shrinking and the glue expanding. So what I did there is I took the Goo Gone Pro Power and then I sprayed it down, let it sit for about 10-15 seconds, and I scrubbed it with my non-scratching Scotch Brite Pad that you could pick up at any local grocery store or super center. So now that we've got the surface prepped and washed, what we got to do now is apply a liberal amount of acetone to the side of the hull to where you get a squeak-free finish, or not squeak-free, but where it will squeak like that all over the place. So you want to make sure it's nice and dry and your fingers squeak when you rub them across there, giving you that good adhesion surface for the actual impact graphics to be installed. So let's go ahead and get into that. right, the port side is complete. It wasn't as bad as I thought, but there are definitely some tricks and tips that I will let you know about. But here is the final product. Let's see if we can get in close, get that detail on there. There we go. It's hard to pick up on the camera from far away, but with your eyesight you can see it really well. It looks awesome. This cut I really like, because for this specific model, the 210 FSH, it does look like a fish scale, which really enhances the look of this boat. Came out really sharp. I did do a black over a white after discussing with Will at jetboatpilot.com. We decided to go with that black over that white, and I really think it turned out well. It looks really good. It adds way more characteristic to my boat, and again, instead of just sticking vinyl stickers on your boat to get a look, now you actually have a padded protection graphic, and that's what these impact graphics do. So I highly recommend them. They look sharp. They've got different cut designs, dragon scales, you know, brush lines, all kinds of them. Go check them out. They are offering this for a many series and models of boats, so go on there, check out and see if you've got yours. Also, while you're there, you can see right there that I have the 3D marine mat registration numbers as well. Get those put on. High visibility, again, more added protection for your hull because it is an impact graphic style marine mat. And yeah, now I'm not so worried about my boat anymore. With docks and other boats around, I know I've got that protection, and it looks phenomenal. I mean, great job, great job. I'm gonna go finish this other side, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the FSH dude. I'll see you on the water.